RC Heli. I got this for $25 at Toys R Us. It has, I believe it's a 3-channel, and it's up, down, left and right, forward and back. Here's the controller. It's got a charging port, trim for left and right. Let's take off. Try to keep it within camera range, but I don't know what is. Oh no, the trims are off. Lower it in the range. Very agile and very well controlled. I've had no interference to walls or anything with the infrared. Not to walls, behind the iPad I have no interference. It's a surprise, it's metal and stuff like that. Reverse is a little twitchy. Sorry you can't see it there, it's hard to keep it in view. Reverse is twitchy, it kind of shakes a little bit. Yeah, it never goes in a straight line, it goes down. It's using it for the power here. Forward's fine. Very durable, I was crashing into a pole and fine. I have a landing at the bottom of the stairs. And one thing that's kind of, I guess, a design, not really a flaw, but a good flaw. Stand. And on the ground, if you go left and right with your right toggle and give power, it'll put you back up. That's about it for this video / driving / review. And crashed again, it's fine. Alright, bye, Squid Ink RC. Share, please, like, sub, do whatever you want.